High-density drawer storage solutions for small homes maximize organization by fitting many shallow, categorized drawers into minimal vertical space. Start by measuring the available footprint and the vertical clearance, then plan modular narrow drawer towers that stack to the ceiling or fit beside appliances. Choose full extension soft close runners so each drawer pulls out completely for easy access. Install with 2 screws at the back of the cabinet and 2 at the front, and adjust the side-to-side cam to keep alignment. Use labeled shallow dividers made from thin plywood or dense foam board to create consistent compartments for each item category, and cut dividers 1/8 of an inch undersize so they slide in without force. Apply anti-slide liners to each drawer base and cut them to match the divider grid to prevent small items from mixing or tipping when drawers are opened. For limited floor space, consider wall-mounted shallow drawer cabinets attached to studs with lag screws and a cleat for secondary support. Mount the lowest unit so its top aligns with counter height for stable stacking. When planning weight, keep each shallow drawer under 30 pounds by distributing heavy tools across multiple drawers and using thicker bottoms only where loads concentrate. People often cram incompatible items into one shallow drawer, which creates clutter and lost time, so separate by function and keep a simple inventory list glued to the cabinet side. A second mistake is using standard short runners that do not extend fully, hiding items at the back. Replace these with full extension soft close runners and test travel before installing dividers. Third, failing to secure stack towers causes tipping when multiple drawers are open. Anchor towers to wall studs with metal brackets and use a cleat system so the stack shares load with the wall. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and shop ideas for modular drawer systems and wall-mounted shallow cabinets. And our discussion community lets people ask questions and share installation tips with other homeowners and contractors. We connect contractors looking for work with homeowners, planning projects, and foster practical conversations about products, measurements, and installers.